everyone, my name's Miss Michelle at the Lafayette Public Library, and today what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to do leaf rubbings. It's pretty cool. All you need is a sheet of paper. The thinner the better, so loose leaf works really well, printer paper. Construction paper is probably a little too thick. You need some leaves. I went and walked around my neighborhood and picked up some leaves. You'll need something to rub over the leaf. I'm going to use crayons. You can use pencils, but I like the crayons because it comes out a little more colorful. And definitely get your adults' permission before you start any project, especially since you have to go find leaves. You want to let them know what you're doing. And it might be fun to bring your adult along because they can pick up leaves too. And an added part is you can look up a leaf identification chart and identify the leaves you find on your walk. Pretty neat. I can see what kind of trees I have in my neighborhood. So what you're gonna do, I've already started a bit, and you can make an awesome collage, is you rub the leaf and it shows all the little veins through. So you pick a leaf, any leaf. I'm gonna use this one's a nice one, and you see all the little lines and veins on the leaf. That's how the leaf gets its nutrients. So I'm gonna put it under here, and I'm gonna use green, because I want to splash another splash of color, because I've used purple and red. And let's see how that comes out. So you want to make sure you press down hard enough that you get all the different little pieces of your leaf. Quite getting as many veins with this one. So that's why you pick a bunch of these. And see, we have another leaf. Let's try one more. Let's see, I like this one. It's really neat and it's a fun shape. I think, looking at my identification, I think it's a sycamore. I think it's that one. What do you think? That one right there in the middle of top row. Looks kind of like a sycamore. So I'm gonna put that down here, and I'll do, let's see. I'm gonna line it up so I can see through it. And I'll do blue, and you just rub. And that's all there is to leaf rubbing. So you can get out of your house and go for a walk and find some cool looking leaves. Pretty neat. All right, well, that is how you do leaf rubbings. Hopefully I can see some of your awesome leaf rubbing art. You all have a good one, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.